Hope my screen is visible to everyone. Can anyone confirm my screen is visible? Okay, so I welcome you all again, and let me introduce myself. My name is Pawan and from Mysore. I'm having 10 years of industry experience in software testing field. So basically I'm a civil engineer. I came from a non-IT background, but I had a passion on the industry. So one second. Is my screen visible now? Manjesh? Akshay? Can anyone? Okay. So yeah, as I was, so I came from a non-IT background. Basically, I'm a civil engineer, but I had a passion on the software industry to learn the skills and improve myself on this to get into the field. So I learned this software testing, then I moved to the industry. So yeah, that's all. And the main reason behind starting this course is to ensure the IT aspirants are well trained here, and to help them to achieve their what and all the needs they have, and to get into the IT field, to get into that field and succeed in their life. So that was the main intention behind starting this course, and I think I have chosen the right candidates here, because if you see the people are less, it's not possible if the people are more, and like you cannot concentrate on each and every one. So either the count is less. So even if the batch size increases also, I'm going to reduce it within a single digit. So that will help me to concentrate on each and every one. Okay. So what is this course about, and what is software testing, and why we are here today, and what we are going to discuss in the future, and what will be our upcoming goals in the next couple of months. So we'll discuss in detail. So let's get into that. So software, like you might have heard, like software or application, what it is. So software is a set of function defined to perform some activity. So let's say, for example, the famous applications like on a social media platform, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and when you come to the e-commerce applications like Amazon, Flipkart. So these are all kind of applications that you are going to use on a daily basis, on a day-to-day activity. So with all these, you can call it as applications. The way of testing it, like the process of this testing software, is nothing but software testing. So that's it, guys. So the name is very simple. The software testing means the testing of a software with some rules and regulations or a process is called as software testing. So let me explain in detail, like with a real-time example for this. So let's say, let's take an example. So consider you going for a shopping. So you want to buy like a dress. What and all the aspects that you are going to check before purchasing a dress? So let me give an example. So consider I will check, the main thing is like size and color of the dress I am going to check. So like that, you will have n number of aspects to purchase the dress. So if you have anything, please share. So speak out, guys, because if you speak here, and your communication skill will improve, and if you interact more, definitely you can say you are giving your 100% effort, and we can achieve this. And definitely on completion of this course, you will be becoming a professional tester, that's for sure. So as I said, so one of the example or the scenario is to check the size and color. Like that, in your mind you will be having a number of aspects. So I want everyone to answer this. So one example each for that, please.
We will check price for
Yes, correct. Next. After that, anyone? So size I said, color I said, so this price will be there. Then you're going to check the quality also, right? Yes, quality definitely. And one more thing, like
pattern or design.
yes, correct. And also the brand you are going to check, right? Which the brand you wanted to buy. So that name tag and all. Then you will a trial, right? Definitely you're going to trial before purchasing it, like how it looks and all. Yeah, these kind of things, see, we are doing testing knowingly or unknowingly. We are doing kind of testing on it, our day-to-day activities itself, but we are not sure like we are doing testing or not. And the same way in software industry, we have to test the application, so with some rules and regulations. So there will be a set of guidance given to you to test the application, so based on that you are going to test. So here what we did the testing on our own. So we had kept some mindset, so this has to be checked and all, so we just checked it. In the software it is different, so that process we are going to discuss in detail in our course. Okay, so here so that's all about the testing and what we are going to do here. But I want to say one more thing, like it's end of the day, we are here to get a job and to earn the money. So that's our end goal here. So I want your 100% effort here to achieve this success. So please extract best out of me. Since you are going to pay the money for this course, you have a right to ask the questions or demand what and all the necessary requirements you require from my end. So I will resolve your queries on the same day. If you have anything doubts, or if not possible, definitely I will come back and I will answer your questions. That's the thing I can assure from my end. And see, so if this learning process is continuous, because I might have not aware of something that you know already. So if you keep on discussing like this, and if you keep asking me questions, so it will be more interactive session. So definitely this will going to help us to achieve what we need. Okay, so yeah, that's all about myself, and I will connect with you guys in person to know about yourself in detail, so that it will help me to figure out what can be done from my end. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, sure, Pawan.
Yeah, and one more thing, so I will be sharing the demo, like little share slides I have. I will be sharing this. Meanwhile, if you get some doubts, keep a note on that, and definitely we will have a question and answer session at the end. We are going to discuss later. Okay. Yeah. So see, every activities or anything that we are going to do in our life should have a mission and vision. So without that, if you want to do something, means at the end of the day it will be a waste of time and everything. So let us keep our vision and vision clear here. So the what and all our software course does here. So the sessions, like it will be interesting. So as I said, so if you simply keep on telling the concept, so that will be boring for you. Instead of that, if I take the realistic examples like we discussed right just now, the purchasing address, so these kind of things will definitely attract you, and it will be interesting sessions, and the things you're going to understand in an easy way, so that will remain in your mind forever. Okay, so and the next thing, the session will be interacting here. So just now we discussed right the what and all the aspect that you are going to purchase the dress. So those kind of interaction I require from your end, because definitely it will help communication between us, and you can say you're 100% confident, and you have a grip on the knowledge on the concept that we're discussing. Okay, and one more thing, the session will be instructive. So instructive in the sense, the concept that we are going to discuss here will be for the lifetime, because if you see the concept of this testing, this remains from past around 15-20 years. The concepts are same, because the concept that I learned 10 years back are still same. so that's not going to alter anyway. So even if you learn this course today, and this will remain forever, and this definitely going to help you the success in your life as a career. So once you complete all this course, I can assure you that you will definitely going to become a professional tester upon completion of this course. So this is our main agenda and vision and mission of this course. So as I said, at the end of the day, we need a job. That's it. So I think this is the way to achieve the success. So let's get into the course, and we'll explore more. Next slide. This is the what and all the training includes. So basically we have two types of testing, right, in application wherever you go: the manual testing and automation testing. So in manual testing we are going to discuss this what and all the types of testing are there, and this concept called as STLC is there, bug life cycle, this test case Jira and agile process are there. So this agile process is very much important, and all the organizations are following the same thing here. So we'll discuss in detail this what and all the concepts are here in manual testing. So when coming to automation, so the things that you did in manual testing, it has to be automated, because in the today's generation everything needs to be automated and it has to be time saving. So it has to be there. So skill set, considering your skill set, automation is the number one priority for everyone. So for that automation purpose you need a tool. So that tool is nothing but Selenium. So to automate the tool, like test cases, you want a concepts on Java, because you need one language to automate that. So Java is very much required here. So we'll discuss Java first, then we'll move to Selenium. I want to share one more thing here in detail. So and the course details and all, see this manual testing what and all it has. So this will take around 2 weeks, the manual testing concepts. So once completion of this, we'll move to Java. So in Java, we will detail in discussing these concepts of Java and what and all is it has, and data types, methods, file handling, exception, collections, string concepts, oops concept. So if you learn Java, like your life will be easier to automate the things. Instead of going to direct Selenium, you have to learn Java first. Like other organization, what they do is like they will teach directly Selenium, then they will come back to Java. So that's not the right way to teach, because if you know Java, Selenium will be very easier. So that's why I mentioned 2 to 3 weeks. This might extend, I'm not sure, because just approximate timing I have mentioned here. And then we'll go to Selenium. It will take just it don't be more than 2 weeks. I can assure. But Java I cannot assure, because I don't know how you guys accept and how you learn. So based on your speed, and I can improve to speed up the concepts here. Okay, so once we are done with this manual testing and automation everything, so we are going to do one project, on a real-time project. I'm going to teach you we'll have a website, our own website, and we'll explore that. What I will do here, I will giving you the module wise testing for each and every one. You have to write the test cases and you have to automate the thing using the concept that we are learned. So this will take around 2 weeks. So what's the main intention behind doing this is, so simply teaching the concepts will not help you to get a job and to achieve a success in life. But if you practice more on this project, definitely I can say you are 100% pakka on this, and you can sustain anywhere in the industry. So that was the main thing behind doing the projects. Okay, so let me go back to the demo. Okay, whatever the training is offering you is like there are some unique approaches of learning this, and also we are offering you the customized notes on all the topics. I will be sharing you the notes on a daily basis, or once the concepts are done, I will give you the notes. You can use it, and you can maintain it somewhere, and even if it's not sufficient, you can add it on that, and you can learn more on the notes that I am providing you. I will be sharing you notes on a daily thing. Okay, the concept retention with the real-time examples. So I can say just I have given an example. So dress. So like that, we will have a n number of examples while discussing the concept, I will be giving you the real-time example so that it will go into your mind in deep and that will remain forever. Okay, then the next is one-on-one interactive session. So in the introduction I said that, so I will have a in detail one-on-one sessions with you on the weekends. So I can say like if there are 10 people, so I will call you one by one individually and I can identify the gaps in them. If anyone is lagging somewhere, I can push them to more, and I can help them to guide in a right way where they stand. If they are not getting the concepts, I can explain in detail more if they are required. So these and all things we can easily achieve only on basis of these interactive sessions. Okay. Then the real-time IT life culture. So like if I say the testing has to be done on somewhere like it has to be applicable to the IT life culture or how it is in the industry. So that concept we are going to discuss. So just discussing a concept mere it's not going to help us, but the real time definitely the work environment how it is definitely that we can achieve here. And one more thing is motivation. So everyone needs some motivation actually. So if someone is lagging, if you like as a friend, if you want to motivate him and push him to achieve a success, so that everyone wants that motivation. So those kind of motivation and all we are providing here. Okay. Once we're done with this actually course, so I will be helping you with the preparation for the interviews. So I will be sharing you the guidance on the interview tips and questions and everything and how to crack the interviews like everything I will be going to discuss with you once we complete the course or in between the course we can discuss it, and I will assist you to prepare the resume because resume is the main criteria here. It will reflect your profile actually, so that should be very attractive, and even if someone sees the resume it has to be some impression should be there, so that I will help you to write your resumes and all. And once we are done with this interview preparation and resume writing and all, so I will be taking the mock interviews. So mock interviews it's the kind of interview that we're going to happen between me and you. So what it will help is, so instead of going directly to the interview, so let us have a discussion here. So this will definitely help you to boost your skills and all. Okay, I will guide you here also in mock interviews. We will have it, questions and answers. So if you are not able to answer, I will guide at the end of the interview and all. Okay, so daily based job interview updates I'm going to share because without job no one is accepting today in the market. So the concept the course whatever that we did it will be a, in the waste thing. So in the interview updates how I'm going to share. So like this I have one format prepared that I'm sharing it. So what I will do, so on the daily basis I will be sharing you the updates like this. So I will say send a resume to this HR and what and all the job description, where it is, location, experience. So all this kind of thing I will be sharing you on a daily basis. So what you have to do is just go to this section and see which location is preferred for you and what the skill sets are matching for your hand, and just check the email ID and you have to send a resume, updated resume to the HR and all. So based on that we will discuss with you like once the interview calls comes, and we will have a session how it has to be done in the interview. We have to go through the job description and all before that. So I will guide you those kind of things. Okay, actually, so we'll see that later. Okay, coming to the demo. So yeah, see, these are all about the unique kind of thing. Wherever if you see other online platform, no one is giving this kind of opportunity to everyone. So here we are offering you a very unique learning approach actually. Okay. Oh, okay. After hearing all these things, so why we have to choose software testing as a career? Okay. So testing is in boom. So each and everything needs to be tested here. So start coming from the daily activity, like on our daily needs, whether you are purchasing some groceries, food items, and starting from drinking water, you are going to test it. So as I said, knowingly and unknowingly, we are doing testing only. So from starting from the basic livelihood to the science and technology, machineries, and the rocket science and all, robotics and all. So everyone, without testing, no one is accepting the product in today's generation. So software testing is very much important here. So this will help you to build your career as a lifetime. Okay. The next one is the job is simple. So as I said, so you're already doing testing in some way. So if you do it as a professionally, so I can say the job will be easier for you because you already know the things, and what you are doing is you are just applying to the as a career, you are doing as a professional tester. So this is the and easy way to get into the software as well. So because if you see in the market, there are mainly, or what you can say, there are 3 to 4 kinds of things like developers, testers, and the DevOps, and coming to the AI science and machine learning. So those kind of we cannot achieve. Like I'm not saying we cannot achieve, but at that time, this is not the easy way to get in the industry. But as a software test engineer, this is the easy way to get into the software. Without learning more skills and putting more effort, you can easily get into this. So but I want your 100% attention here to achieve this. Okay. Once so and I can say you can be very innovative in the sense like here there consider we are 10 people here, so 10 people will have a 10 unique kind of thing on a skill set based, you can say. So everyone will have different mindset and different thinking here. So this will help you to become very innovative in a career. So definitely you can achieve success here. So that's why the software testing is very much important, and you can easily choose this career for their lifetime. So considering all these things, so once you become a tester, so there definitely there will be a better job ahead, and definitely there will be better future ahead for you. Okay. So yeah, after hearing all these things, even someone will have some doubt somewhere, like why we have to join this course and all, why us only. So let me explain in detail. So as I said, one-on-one discussion. So if you see anywhere in the online classes training or anywhere in the training institute, no one is going to discuss one-on-one, because what they do is just a bulk thing. They will come, they will teach, and they will go. That's it. No one is worrying or bothering about you, like where you stand and all. At the end of the day, they want to complete the course. That's it. So here, the case is different. I will be discussing with you one-on-one to identify the gaps. Okay. The second one is 24/7 help on your queries. Like once you get into the field or before getting to the field, if you are learning, so you might have you might get some doubts. So at that time, you don't have to hesitate. You can directly call me and ask me what it is and what and all. Okay. I'm just saying 24/7 help, and so please don't bother me during our sleeping time. Okay. So yeah, I know the things how it works because I was also a student a few years back, and I know how it was. Even I tortured some of my lectures like that. That's why I'm telling you. Okay. Okay. The track of each and every one. So as I said, the 10 people. So I will have a separate data on each and every one. So let's say Manjesh or Akshay, whatever. I will keep their data and what's the background of them and where they stand. The ratings I'm going to give on a weekly basis. So that will help me to track. Okay. Okay. Then the assignments. So weekly assignments. So once we complete say manual testing, we have completed the types of testing. Let's say. So I will be giving you the assignment. So write the test cases for that. So you have to come up with the assignments on the next week. So if you're not doing means again it is a waste of time, because see, if you learn here then only you can achieve. If you ignore the things, definitely it's not going to help you. Okay, so I will monitor you on this assignment section on a weekly basis. So also the ratings will be given for each and everyone, and I will be sharing with everyone on the next coming days. Okay, and there will be some attractive prizes if someone does on a very much precise way, and also those kind of things will be there in our sessions. Okay, next thing is job guidance, 100% job guidance. So if you see in the market, no one is assuring you like 100% job. Okay, because everyone will say 100% job placement instead of assistance or guidance. So that's a false statement actually. 100% placement no one is going to give you. So what they do is just go and attend the interview, and that's it. No one will guide you how to crack that interview, how to resolve the queries, and how to achieve the things. So here we are assuring you the 100% job guidance, because if I train you, you can sustain anywhere. You can attend n number of interviews in such a way that you can crack that. Okay, that I can assure from my end. So only that can happen through the mock interviews and this weekly assessment and one-on-one discussion, and also the mock interviews are very much important here. Okay, so then this is initial career support. Okay, let's say all happens good, and someone has got placed to the industry, and they are going to the Bangalore or somewhere, some location, and they're going to join on Monday. Okay, so once they join, definitely you will have a doubt. So how it should be in the industry, how it has to behave in the company environment and all. So at that time you don't have to hesitate, because you can, because I know the thing how it was, because once I was a tester, I moved to the industry, I had lot of doubts, and there was no one to support me, because I didn't have an idea like how to sustain and all, but I was able to sustain there, and there was no one to support, because I know the thing how it was. So that's why I'm giving you this initial career support. So I want you to be comfortable in the environment once you move to the industry. So initial career support I definitely am going to give you, until you feel comfortable in the industry. Okay. Okay. The course details. So as I said, the manual testing and automation concepts are here. You can see the same which I already shared. So duration, it's around 2 to 3 months. So this might extend. I'm not sure. Just telling you that 2 to 3 months we have to complete. But if the project and all, if it keep extends, I can extend that. No worries on that. But I want your support. That's it, guys. I want your 100% efforts here. So all these things we are offering you at a price of 10,000 rupees here. So if you check other platform anywhere, so no one is giving you the course for this much of amount, very less amount of amount. And although the details that I explained here in the previous slides, so nobody is going to give you that for just 10,000 rupees. So as a promo offer, we are offering you for this just 10,000 rupees. Okay, so if anything is there, please reach out to me on this. Okay. Okay, so next slide. Okay, yeah, that's it, I guess, because I just want to tell you something more apart from the course. Okay, so like, see, if in life everyone needs a change, so change is required in everyone's life, but you have to adapt to that. And also this might come somewhere, like this is the right opportunity, I guess, to change your life from the previous life you had. I don't know how you see your past and all, but I think this is the right platform to change yourself, and and you have to grow as a software test engineer here, and can achieve the success here. So I want to say something here. So you can see the lines. You cannot cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. So what does it mean? So see, I went around 4 to 5 slides and explained around 30 minutes, I guess. But still, if you're not clear on how it is, how going to affect your life in the future, So then again, see, it's a waste of time actually. So I want to say you like let's get into the field and you learn the course. You can achieve success definitely. I'm sure. At the end of the day, you are going to get some better salary. I know how the thing works. As a middle class person, everyone wants a job and everyone wants a salary at the end of the day with some reputation. That reputed amount around 30 to 40k in as a initial. So then it will go more. Okay, that's depend on your skills and all. So that's what I wanted to say because the opportunity never knocks like this. So when it knocks, you have to make use of it. To be frank, I want to share my experience here. Uh, Even in the initial days, I was roaming and I was wondering how to get into this, how to sustain and all in the life. So one day I met my friend. So he was telling like this about the software testing or the software industry field. So then I decided to move on that. So at that time I thought so that is the right time and that was the right platform. So then I learned, then I improved, then I moved to the industry. So today I'm standing here in front of you as a test tutorial here, studying this tutorial and instructor. So like that, I want you to be the same to achieve the success. So I just wanted to share you this. So I'm telling you. So let's get into that. Take a step ahead and move forward. Yes. Okay. Okay. So any questions and if you have any noted down anything, we can discuss here. Please ask questions so then only I can get into that. If you don't ask question means one thing is like you understood everything, another thing you have not understood anything. So please ask some questions, anything. Please speak out. As I said, this will definitely help you to boost your communications.
I think since it's a demo class,
Yeah.
we can start asking questions once the course is started in deep.
Yes, definitely. That's a right good point.
What about the certification? You are not told about any certification.
Yeah, coming to the certification, see, so certification there are two kind of things actually. One is accredited certificate and non-accredited certificate. So accredited means the company which are registered, institute which are already registered on the market. So they are going to give you the certification on the names. Okay, so I can say since you are not at accredited, I can give you the certificate. That's not a problem. But what I say is like instead of a certificate, the skill set matters actually. In the interviews, no one is going to check the certificate actually. Rather than that, they're going to check the skills. So even if you want a certificate, I can give you. That's not a problem. But I'm telling you that certificate really doesn't matter actually. So that's it actually. Okay. Okay, yeah. If anything is there, please reach out to me and you can call me directly. We have my number in the group, and I want you to be very attentive and be responsive in the group because I want you to be post some questions and we have to be more attentive there. So then only like I can say the students or the here are you very much interested. So even I can prepare myself on more on that and I can explain you clearly the concepts. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So yeah, thank you all for joining this session. I hope the session was helpful and useful for everyone. And I will be looking forward for your presence in the next coming session. Tomorrow we will start a demo class on manual testing. Okay. I will be sharing you the link. The link already shared, I guess. So let me share you again. So we'll start the manual testing concept tomorrow from tomorrow. Okay. And one announcement is there. If anyone is interested on this software testing through your referral, if you can refer, we will give you a 10% discount on the fees from your end. If you join anyone any one person, there will be offer price we are offering you the 10% discount will be there. So they have to join within this Friday or Saturday till Sunday. We have time, I guess. So because the actual classes will start from Monday, so tomorrow also you can attend the demo class, the manual testing concept. You can see how the things works in the course actually. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining, and I'll be looking for your presence in the next session. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tim.
Yeah.